G'day, my name is Kev. Today I just wanted to give anyone who's partway through a pond build or thinking of starting one some inspiration. Keep in mind I'm not a professional, so my ponds aren't as good as some others you'll see on YouTube. I just love ponds and want to make them more accessible and more affordable to the average person. So this is sort of a 12-month update from when I started building my dream pond. So let's go on a little trip and take my hole in the ground from this to this. If you want to see a full timeline and how this pond was built, there's a playlist and I'll link that down in the description. But for now I'll just stop talking and let the slides play. The next stage of this project is going to be expanding the pond under the window and creating a stream that appears to be connected to the main pond. If that sounds like something you'd like to see, or maybe you'd just like to see this pond and garden mature, subscribe and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.